So we're gonna do vampire treatment and then magic eyelid.
Okay.
We've done this before.
Yes.
Bianca's been my patient since she was young. So
Yes, this is my guest pa.
okay, so we're gonna work on the left eye. How was your treatment before when we did it?
Okay naman, Doc.
Walang downtime masyado.
Downtime. A few days.
Okay. Pero okay lang naman, di ba?
Yeah, okay. I was still able to go out. Here siya masakit. And it was super worth it kasi I remember like it lasted for more than 6 months. Actually, pag pagod.
Yes.
Tapos pag puro iyakan yung scenes. Tapos nagiging prominent siya.
Or even our face is not 100% symmetrical.
Yeah.
So sometimes may part na mas bagsak than the other side.
Yeah.
It also sometimes depend where we sleep, anong side tayo natulog. Or sometimes it's genetic. So of course, if you wanna even it out and make it more symmetrical, yeah, we can treat one side more than the other side. Just to attain that symmetry. Yes, this is also another treatment that's really nice. It's called the vampire treatment facial, which is good for pore reduction. It's also good for improvement of the skin quality, and also it stimulates skin to look younger, fresher, and healthier.
Yes. Ang galing, Doc. Hindi siya masakit at all.
Hindi.
Yun yung gusto natin sa life. Magkaroon ng skin like a 3.
Ay, oo, grabe. Ang ganda ng skin.
Grabe yung pores talaga.